Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Flipping out. Here's the best flip phones to buy in 2020. Alcatel Go Flip 3. Pros: compact design, convenient front screen, micro SD support, 4G LTE support, Wi-Fi calling. EasyPhone Prime A1. Nokia 2720 Flip. Kyocera Dura XV Extreme. Alcatel My Flip 4G. Sonam XP3.
Make your mark, take our lead.
At $1,500, the new Motorola Razr costs less than other foldable smartphones. But it's still a phone, and it costs hundreds more than even the priciest traditional smartphones. Phones these days are expensive, like the $1,000 iPhone 11 Pro and the Samsung Galaxy S10, which started at $900 at launch.
Take our lead.
Most flip phones cost well under $100, and in many cases you'll be able to get one for free via one of your carrier's plans. Flip phones tend to be more popular with prepaid providers rather than larger carriers like Verizon and AT&T.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.